This video will teach you how to use the different options of the envelope. You can choose the language of your envelope by clicking on this button and choose the envelope type from the buttons above. A small descriptive text appears at the bottom of each envelope when we point the cursor at it to make it easier to select the envelope type. By selecting the advanced envelope, and when we click on Send, a window appears on the screen with several options. The advanced envelope allows you to control certain options for the recipient. You can prevent them from writing any text by checking this box. As you can see, once we tick the box, the option field Document Upload became mandatory. We also have the option to control the type of files we want to receive from the recipient: images, documents, videos. If you choose one of these options, the recipient will not be able to send anything other than the documents pre-selected by our team. The list of available extensions by the file type is available in the Envelope Options section of our Help document. If you wish to have specific extensions, leave the option for all documents and enter the list of extensions you wish to have in the box. Make sure to separate each extension with a comma. Finally, you can secure your envelope with an SMS code by adding the recipient's mobile number and then click Send.